Here's a quick video on an oil change for a 2023 Kawasaki Teryx 4S. I love this thing. It's a great machine. Kawasaki has the 3-year warranty, and they've really taken care of me. They've covered 2 pretty big repairs under the warranty that happened with the clutch, but didn't cost me anything. They fixed it. Besides that, it's been a great machine. And I'm just gonna do an oil change real quick. I've got this from my local Kawasaki dealer. Kawasaki Performance Oils. The kit comes with gloves, a washer, and the oil filter, and a little funnel if you need it. So, under the driver's seat, right here, oil cap with the dipstick. I cleaned it out with my air compressor to minimize the dust. I've got it all set up, so let's get under here. You're gonna want to take this cover off. I've got mine off already. It's a 10mm, 4 bolts, and that is your oil filter. And then right here is your oil plug, and that is a 17mm. So let's go ahead and take that out. I've got my oil storage container. Try and do this while I film. All right, next step, get your new oil filter. Then we're gonna take some of the old oil and rub it on the gasket, just a little bit. Not too tight. Just perfect. You want to get it really tight and then just a tiny little more of a crank, unless you've got a torque wrench and you want to get all technical with it, I'm not going to do that. New washer. Let's see here. Get the right angle. There we go. Then you want to make sure that your bolt is clean. Nothing on it. New washer. And put that right back in there. And same thing, not too tight. There we go. And that's that. Now we're gonna put the new oil in. The last step is to take her for a test run.